Good morning, students. Today we will learn about verbs. What is verb? All the action words are known as verbs. A verb is a doing word that shows an action, an event, or a state. A sentence may either have a main verb, a helping verb, or both. In other words, a verb is a word that informs about an action, an existence of something, or an occurrence. The verb is the main word in a sentence. Now, what are main verbs? All the action words are known as main verbs. They are used to express actions, something that an animal, a person, or a thing does. Let's have an example. The sun shines, the monkey jumps. The monkey jumps. Jumps is a main verb. Auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. As the name suggests, helping verbs help or support the main verb. They appear before main verb when we form continuous and perfect tenses, passive voice, or negative sentences. For example, are, be, do, and have are some of the auxiliary verbs. Example, we are in the greenhouse club. Are is a helping verb. The types of action verbs. There are two types of action verbs, namely transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verb expresses an action directed towards a person, place, or thing. The action expressed by a transitive verb passes from the doer or the subject to the receiver of the action. Words that receives action of transitive verbs are called object. Or you can say verbs that take objects are called transitive verbs. For example, the teacher made the question paper. Peter cut the cake. Intransitive verbs. The verb which do not need an object to make a complete sense is called an intransitive verbs. An intransitive verb expresses actions without the action passing to the receiver or object. It can stand alone in the predicate because its meaning is complete. Some examples of intransitive verb, that is bird fly. Here the sentence is not carrying any object. Now some sentences have double object. They contains direct object also and they contains indirect object also. Direct object answers the question what and indirect answers the question to whom. Let's have an example. Harsha gave Leela a book. Now if we want to find direct object and indirect object in this, so we simply see direct object questions what. It answers the question what. So here book is a direct object and indirect object answers the question to whom. So Leela is indirect object here. I hope you have understood the concept of verbs. Thank you.